Okay guys, welcome back. Hope everybody's keeping well. So I'm going to tell you a slight variation on a fly called Robbie's Sooty Olive. Now the hook and the vise is a Kamasan B175 in size 10. Size 10s and 12s is what I tan fish. However, you could tie them in size 8s, 14s, just whatever you like, and to suit the waters that you're fishing. The thread that I'm going to use is the uni thread 801 black. Just going to come in a couple of mil behind the other hook, and basically when I do that, guys, that's to give me the measurement sort of way of where I want my hackle body to end and hackle to start. Now the tail on the fly is some bronze mallard fibres, so get a nice pinch off. The length of the tail, it's really up to you. It's your own personal preference. Usually like this around about the length of the hook over the back, and then I'll just work my thread down, catching that in. Just have a wee check. Yep, happy enough of that. And then we'll come in and trim away the waist. Now the rib is a broad tinsel. I'm just going to use the uni mailer in size 16, silver and gold. Could get away with a 14 on this to make your rib a wee bit broader. Right, just going to offer this up. Don't have a gold tinsel, just gold wire, oval silver tinsel, whatever, the fly will still work. Right, just going to work my thread forward, tying everything in nice and tight, and then just come back and open turns. Now this is where the variation comes in on it. So on the original dressing of this fly, it's actually human brunette hair, brunette human hair that's used, dyed in picric acid. Now my daughter has brunette hair, she's 16, and there's two things that'll happen if I start cutting her hair. The first thing, my wife will hit me a core slap around the loaf. Now in English, that means a good hard smack around the head. And then the second thing is, I'm near sure that the social services might get involved in some shape or form. You're running around cutting kids' hair for flag tan. Now, what I've used then, this is just some rabbit that has been dyed in picric acid. Well, what it was the fur, the skin, the whole skin was dipped in and out of the acid. Now, I'll just trim that away. However, if you know a hairdresser or a barber, you might be able to obtain some brunette human hair, which turns out a lovely, nice yellowish brownish once it's been put into the picric acid. Anyway, the next hackle, you're looking at black hen hackle, and this is a natural hen hackle that I'm using, and I want a decent length to this, so I'll just offer this up to the hook, a couple of turns, fold back the tip, break away the tip of the hackle. And I should say, guys, if you're going to start dyeing your materials and you're going to use picric acid, please be extremely careful and take all necessary precautions in wearing the proper gear before you start to dye it, before you start to use it. Now, it's going to do me there 3 turns, a couple of turns to catch in the stem, fold back the stem, just work my thread back up over the top, and then just put on a wing, which are just looking at bronze mallard wing here. So just bring out the bronze, tear it away. It's nice tied with bronze mallard dyed in olive, a wing. It's nice tight like that. Now, length of wing, it's really up to you. You can have it short, really, really long. I just sort of go halfway in between. And these flies are, for me, so starting to get my box together rightly now. Not happy with that, so I'm just going to come back. Always go back. If you're not happy, don't continue to dress the fly. Have a wee check. See what way we're sitting. I'm happy enough with that, so I'm just going to tighten up with another 2 or 3 turns. Lift the bronze mallard up, keep a hold of the wing, and trim away clip away the waist ends. And then just nice and tight, just cover these up. You don't be shy with the head on a type of fly like this. And then we'll come in and throw in a whip finish. A couple of turns, pull your thread tight, and then come in and trim away your thread. Now, first coat onto the head, as always, just use a wee dab of super glue. This seals up the thread turns and just makes everything nice and solid. And then once this dries, guys, I'll come in and put on it at least 2 coats of varnish onto the head, and that's more to seal up the super glue, because it will take a moisture bloom. I think I've said that before, because the activator for super glue is moisture in the air. So there you go, guys. That's a slight variation on Robbie's Sooty Olive. You can also palmer the black hackle down the body if you wish, and make it more of a sort of a traditional dabbler with the throat or the cloaked mallard, but that's up to you. You tie it whatever way you like. As always, many thanks for taking the time to view the video. It's greatly appreciated. If this is the first time watching one of my fly tying videos, please consider subscribing. It just helps the wee channel grow. And until the next time, be good. And if you can't be good, be careful. And all being well, I'll catch us on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.